Hello, welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some macaroni in some creamy Alfredo sauce. Okay guys, let's start guys.
So this is everything that I'm going to use guys. I'm going to use some macaroni guys. Alright, I'm going to use some salt guys. I'm going to use some Alfredo cream. I'm going to use a pinch of garlic powder for the sauce. I'm going to use a pinch of black pepper for the sauce. I'm going to use a little milk. I'm going to use some long leaf butter. I'm going to use some tomato and sweet pepper. I'm going to use some cheese to top it off. And I'm going to use some okay guys? Alright guys, so I'm going to put it in my boiling water right now guys with some salt. Alright? Okay guys, so right now I'm going to throw some salt. Okay? I'm going to throw like a tablespoon of salt in my water for the taste. Okay, and I'm going to put some butter, but you can put this water butter. Okay guys, so this is the butter. Okay, so this is my macaroni. Alright, so guys, I'm going to boil my macaroni for between 5 and 7 minutes. Okay. So right now, I'm just cutting up the season to make my sauce. Okay. Okay, just a little bit of this one. Not too much. Alright, guys. I'm going to show you how to make your sauce meanwhile my pasta is boiling. All right. Okay guys, so I'm going to saute this guys for about 3 minutes. Okay, and then I'm gonna throw my ham inside of it and saute the ham and the season together inside this thing, the season. Okay, looks so good. I'm gonna put some black pepper and some garlic powder. Okay. You want that nice flavor, you know. So I'm going to put a pinch of garlic powder. And if you have the fresh garlic, that works even better. Okay. Okay guys, and a pinch of black pepper. Okay. Dump this out right now in this plate. Right now guys, we're gonna dump it right here. Look at that guys. So now I'm gonna do my sauce. So guys, so that's my milk. That's some milk, and this is the pasta sauce. Okay guys. That's so nice. And guys, if you want to make your sauce from scratch, you can use your sauce. You can make your sauce from scratch. Okay? You can make your sauce from scratch if you want. I'm going to throw some more. You can use heavy cream. The heavy cream will do a good job to make it from scratch. Well, I'm not making it from scratch right now because I don't have time. You know, the one from the bottle is pretty, you know, easy. You know? Look at this. This looks so good. And then what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to throw some cheese. Oh, guys, I'm going to throw some cheese on this. Oh, my goodness, guys. Look at that. guys, that looks amazing. So I'm gonna put this now and low if you don't want to burn your sauce. Woo! My goodness, look at this. Imagine you show this over your macaroni, guys. Oh my goodness. Woo! I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna take this off the stove now. All right, guys. So guys, right now I'm draining my macaroni right now, guys. Okay. Guys, if you want to wash it off, you can wash it off. But for me, I'm not gonna wash it. Okay. I'm going to show you the next step. Okay guys, so this is the pasta, guys. Okay. Look at that, guys. Whew, my goodness sake. That looks so good. So good. Oh my goodness. Guys, my mouth is running. Woo! My goodness. I cannot wait to taste this. And now I'm going to dump the sauce all over it. Woo! So guys, I'm going to dump this amazing sauce all over it. Woo! My goodness, guys. And if you want some extra cheese, guys, you can go ahead and put some extra cheese. Okay? Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys. Woo! I just can't wait for this thing. I tell you, I just cannot wait to eat this. Woo! My goodness. It looks so good. With all of those vegetables. Oh! And the Alfredo sauce. So guys, you can throw some more cheese all over it, and you can top it off if you like, guys, with some bacon bits. Guys, if you watch the video and you like, guys, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share if you like. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.